You know that feeling? You run your code, it looks perfect, but then boom! Time limit exceeded. Yeah, no, it hurts. You spend all that time writing loops, and the Python just says, nope, too slow. Today, let's fix that. We are going to talk about why this happens and what to do instead. I'll show you with real examples. It looks simple, but it's a classic trap. You see how one tiny change can turn time limit exceeded into accepted. Let's go. So here's the problem. You have two arrays, spells, and portions. For each spell, you must count how many portions make it successful. A pair is successful if spell times portion is greater than or equal to success. Seems easy, right? You just loop through everything. Let's say works fine for small tests, but when you have 10,000 spells and 10,000 portions, you are doing hundreds millions checks. That's O(n) squared. And that's why you get time limit exceeded. And that's what kills your runtime. Let's actually run this version. You can see it's looping inside a loop. Every spell goes through every portion. That's what I call loop by loop. Python is not happy doing millions of multiplications like this. So what's the smarter way? When you see time limit exceeded, don't panic. Ask yourself, can I reduce the number of checks? In this problem, for one spell, you just want to know how many portions are big enough. You don't need to check all portions. If the portions list is sorted, then once you find the first portion that works, all after it will also work. That means we can stop early, and if we want to find that position fast, we can use binary search. In Python, there's a built-in module for that, bisect. Bisect left can find the first portion that is greater than or equal to the number we need. No more looping through every single one. Let's fix the code. Now we sort the portions once. That's O(n) log n. Then for each spell, we use binary search, O log n. So the total is much faster. O(n) log n instead of O(n) squared. Let's test this. Bingo, accepted. Same logic, but we change how we searched. That's the key. Don't loop by loop, search smart. That's why this version passes, and the double loop one fails. Before we finish, here are a few quick takeaways when you see time limit exceeded. 1. Avoid nested loops, find a smarter pattern. 2. Use sets or dictionaries for fast lookups. They are O(1). Case results when you see repeated work. And 4. Sometimes a bit of math can replace the whole loop. Most TLE problems are not about wrong answers, they are about too much work. When you understand that, you'll start seeing optimizations everywhere. So next time you see time limit exceeded, smile, because now you know what it really means. Your logic is right, but your approach needs optimization. That's how you grow from beginner to intermediate on LeetCode. So that's it. Don't do O(n) squared brute force. Use binary search instead, and you will pass with flying colors. If you enjoyed this, give a like or comment. What problem gave you TLE before? See you in the next video. And remember, write smarter, not longer.